the feet. Water down low. Here, beef. We was up here before. Nice. Nice, man, nice. The GP.
Bye.
We was up here in April. We was up here in April. What is it? There. Nice. I forgot. That was nice. tree. That looks nice. Well, we left home. I hope we are at home because my back and my hip aching me. Yeah. So, what's up with you guys say? They said the first day of the month. Yeah. So, I don't have nothing to say. Talk to you guys later on. Well, we will go step. Oh, we will go home, but my son, G.O.B. was stuck in here. Nice. Oh, some way up here. Talk to guys later on.
Now, Charlie.
Charlie Table.
Charlie.
Hey.
You must have dropped a crumb, did you?
I don't know. Only.
Here, go over there. Not you.
Ernie says
Here,
thanks.
come on, Charlie. Here, come, go.
Ernie eats all the treats up there made
What
for
are you
Charlie.
doing?
No,
Go
it's
eat the treats.
Jenny. Jenny, say hi.
You're blocking the view.
Big Jim, say hi.
Hello. How you doing, everyone? Hello to the Blue Wolf family. Love you all. Be back on TikTok before you know it.
I hope.
Oh, we'll be there. And Jim.
And I'm not on
and
TikTok.
Charlie the table dog there.
Yeah.
Still trying to prize treat out of the crack on the deck there, so that's what he likes to do.
And Big Jim is on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm on YouTube there, Big Jimmy's Variety Channel, and On the Road with Big Jimmy there. It's just a driving one. You do a lot of those too.
You got some kisses.
Get some. Oh, no. Hey, get out of that.
Oh, I love you too, Oni.
Kisses.
Oh,
Oh
lots of
my
kisses
goodness,
there,
you're an
yeah.
awful kissy
Yeah.
dog. Big old kissy.
That's what they call him at the vet when I take him in there.
Mr. Kissy. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Kissy,
he's
Ernie.
coming back for a kiss.
Look out. No, you.
Up, up, oh!
Ernie says, what are you doing? Get out of there.
See what Charlie do. Up, up, oh!
He's running for mom.
Oh,
Oh, gross. I got slobber on me.
what do you do, Charlie Table?
Charlie the table dog.
Hey, Charles. How you doing, everybody? Have a good one. Yeah.
Yep.
Papa. Papa.
Ernie.
Papa. Papa.
Hey.
Good boy.
leg out now. Hey.
Ah,
Hurt.
good boy. Oh.
Play out.
Yeah, he'll play you out pretty fast.
No, on it.
Yeah.
Call him a retriever for no reason. And now we know why.
On it. Hey. I'm play out now.
Yeah. Doesn't take long. Something else.
Well, we are back home here. Yeah, come home, get supper, and we did drive all day today. Yeah, but my back, my hip, aching pain for last 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm getting old. Yeah. Well, if you guys enjoy this today, put the thumb up. Big Jim and Jenny, thank you. And Charlie, Doc, and Ernie give me last kisses. Yeah, I did enjoy that. Yeah. And Craig and Charlie, we would go stop in camp today, later on, but tonight, well, I'm gonna sit in the house because my back could give out on me. Well, good night, you guys. Much love, family on here. No, you guys can see what I did. Night night, much love.